Hello everybody, it's Usha Chudasama from Healing Feeling, transforming lives through training and therapy. Now for those of you who don't know me, I'm a child and adult psychotherapist, I'm a trainer, and I'm also the author of this best-selling book, Your Happy Child. And I'm passionate about helping parents to empower their children and heal their own inner child through the experience of parenthood and adulthood. Now, one of the things that I'm doing very soon is going to be running a workshop. Now, this is a very one-off kind of workshop because it's one where parents come and work with their children aged 7 to 11. And it's called the Happy Life Skills Workshop. You can see the acronym HAPPY. And these are the kinds of things that we cover. Now, for those of you who don't know, I mean, I was a teacher before. And I'm a school counsellor at the moment, and I found that over the years things have started to really change and children are having to cope with so much more stuff than they ever did since when I was a child, say. And one of the things that we notice is that they're getting so much more distracted. There's a lack of concentration and attention. They're always fidgety. They need some fidget thing to play with, or they just they get very it's like they're working on something, get distracted, and then they're doing something else, anyway, and that is really affecting their grades because they just don't get things finished. And one of the things that we do in our workshop for attention and awareness is actually help them to learn ways of focusing. And there are really good tools and strategies to help them to do that. And what parents have found is that their children's grades are raising higher and higher, and they are so much more focused and motivated at home. And this is something that you can do with your child. So I'm going to say that, look on the links and have a look at the post to see where you can get further information from, because this is a very worthwhile investment. It's a very worthwhile investment because parents have actually said to me that it's a small price to pay for something that's going to actually last a lifetime. Now, if you want to find out more about this, you can go to my website, healingfeeling.com, or like my Facebook page, because there's lots of information on there. Your Happy Child is also my hashtag. And you can also connect with me on Twitter and also on Instagram using this handle. So that's Usha Chudasama from Healing Feeling, transforming lives through training and therapy. Thank you.